The A6BP baseplate is a universal ground stacking accessory that can be attached to many different surfaces, including all VTX B series subwoofers. To build a ground stack array including both the A6 and B15, place the base plate on the top subwoofer and remove the M20 knob that secures the angle selection plates. Pin the two angle selection plates to the rear of the base plate using the attached pins. Secure the base plate to the M20 attachment point on the subwoofer with the included knob. Stack the first A6 cabinet onto the base plate by first pinning the front points, then selecting the correct angle for the rear points and inserting the pins. Select the required inter-cabinet angles on the A6, engage the rigging hardware, and continue until the array is built.